Hi, this week we've talked about humility. And to be honest, we probably haven't learned anything new. But maybe it's been a good reminder. We've seen that mathematics teaches us to submit to logic rather than our own preferences. It reminds us that our intuition can be wrong and that mistakes are just part of learning. We've learned that other people may see solutions that we did not, and that truth does not always depend on status or reputation. I want to end our week with the idea that no one does mathematics by themselves. Think about it. Every theorem you study, every technique that you learn, and every notation that you use is part of a conversation that has been going on probably for thousands of years. When you solve a problem using derivatives, you are building on the work of people like Newton and Leibniz. And when you use algebraic notation, you're benefiting from ideas that evolved over centuries. Even the equal signs had to be invented because someone wanted mathematical ideas to be communicated more clearly. Mathematics is not just a collection of facts. It is a story. It's a story of countless people asking questions, making mistakes, refining ideas, and then passing their discoveries to the next generation. That perspective keeps us humble because history always reminds us what happens when pride gets in our way. And one of the most famous examples is the dispute between Isaac Newton and Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz. They disputed who deserved credit for inventing calculus. Both made extraordinary contributions, yet the debate over priority became bitter, and it divided mathematicians across Europe for years. Now, looking back, it's difficult not to think that the energy spent defending personal credit could have been better spent advancing mathematics. And the irony is that neither Newton nor Leibniz created calculus from nothing. Both were building on centuries of earlier work, and every mathematician since has continued building on theirs. That's just how mathematics progresses. One person contributes an idea, someone else improves it. Another finds a new application, and then another discovers a limitation. Generation after generation, the structure grows. So here's a famous quote many think came from Newton. "If I have seen further, it is by standing on the shoulders of giants." So whether we're aware of it or not, every one of us is doing the same thing. If you're studying actual mathematics, for example, you're benefiting from thousands of years of human curiosity and persistence. You're certainly not starting from scratch. You're actually joining a conversation that began long before you and will continue long after you're gone. I find that encouraging. It's like we are playing a role in a much bigger story than ourselves. My contribution may be small, but others can build from it. And then more people will learn from those people. And we see an exponential growth equation building right in front of us. In the end, math teaches us that truth is bigger than any one person. We are grateful for those who came before us, and we are willing to learn from those besides us. And hopefully, through our own work and generosity, we'll make things just a little easier for those who come after us. This is Dave from Intersecting Us.